advantage coming into games, you have to give him the props because definitely he doesn't want to concede goals. I mean, this time last season, yeah, I mean, Tottenham must have conceded nearly up to about 15 goals at the start of last season. So if that man is limiting it to about 3 goals right now, I mean, you should be grateful to that man for what he has done for your football club rather than openly and
I
publicly
like Tony. That's
criticizing
Arsenal
him.
mentality. That's Arsenal
Yeah,
mentality still about you should
no,
be
no, no, no,
grateful.
no, no.
That's
Don't do
crazy.
that. Come on, don't do that. Come on, don't do that,
That's
bro. You
crazy.
struggled against Benfica. Come on, don't do that. Who made you a god over us? You struggled. I mean, you're a dusty club. Yes, sir. Yeah. In fact, I wonder why you're sitting on this table. I mean, big time big wigs are out here talking, and you're out here coming to mingle with the big boys. I mean, I have
Well, did I lose?
Olympiacos tomorrow. You can come. By the
Did
way,
I
you're
lose?
invited to come see what we're gonna do to Olympiacos. I mean, you didn't lose, but I was stinky, stanky football. You know that. Yeah. You're just coming from 2 back-to-back losses. Bro, don't tell me shit if you can't beat Manchester United. If you can't beat Manchester United in this season, dusty Manchester United, don't chat to me, man. Don't chat to me. Yeah, you're not a god in front of us. You could be able to win all this Club World Cup. What's the need, yeah, of winning the Club World Cup and you cannot beat dusty Manchester United? Yes, sir. Are you serious? Is this what we're doing now? Not side. I mean, brother, is this what we're doing now? People that can't beat Manchester United coming out here, yes, picking up their shoulders. Is this what we're doing here? Come on, man. Let's put some perspective to this. Don't come with your chest big ups like that, bro. Calm down. Cool it down.
Remember,
don't do that.
Remember, your team struggled against United too.
What do you mean? I came out with the 3 points, and that's Old Trafford. I have a big rivalry with those guys. You know they turn into giant killers when we play against them. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the kind of form they're in. When we play them, it's a big rivalry. You know that. And we got 3 points at Old Trafford. So what is man chatting about?
Okay, Tony. But until you get a trophy, don't chat to me. How about that?
What do you mean? I have more trophies than you. Oh, I understand. Maybe
No.
Yes, sir. I understand that.
If we're gonna start doing that, I
watching
can do
the
that
Premiership. Well. I understand. No, see, from your perspective, I really do understand and share your pain. Like you just started watching the Premier League maybe like 15 years ago, 10 years ago, unlike us that are like elders down here.
Yeah, but
We've
I can't lie, man.
You man, Northside, I've actually seen this team win trophies. You know, so I mean, maybe you just really think that the Premiership started like 15 years ago. So I really do understand it from your perspective. But
so I can only talk about what
I've been watching Arsenal football in a long time, and I know that we have more trophies in our cabinet more than you. You can talk about all this,
World War II,
Champions League.
You know what I'm saying?
I got it before. What are you doing now? What is man doing now? What are you doing now? You can't beat dusty Manchester United. What are you chatting to me about?
Yo, North. You seen the team difference here that because remember, you and I seen the Benfica games twice. So we've seen the Club World Cup one. You've seen this one. You seen the team I was playing today. You seen the players on the pitch today, bro. I just about got out with the win. You know what I'm saying? I just got out with the win. Caicedo wasn't fully fit. Only like João Pedro couldn't play because he had a knock. Man had to play Tyreek George up front. Do you get me? At the end, you see what my goalkeeper tried to do at the end as well. He gave you bare opportunities, bro. He was kicking it back to you, man, every time. I'm thinking, bro, you got 5 minutes left. Bro, you can't lose me the game.
But yes, this goes to the point that I've been trying to stay on Northside's channel for a minute. And finally, I just want to say welcome. And obviously...
No, we're not having it, Deji. You know what I'm saying? We're not having it. Because if I was playing like this... No. If I was playing like
what
this...
I'm saying is that
wait. If I was playing like this with my... Listen, wait. If I was playing like this with my strongest team, I hear it. Do you get me? If I was playing this with my strongest team, then I can say, you know what? Listen, we're dusty. But this is not my strongest team, bro.
Bro, and that's what I'm trying to tell you, bro. Like, when I've been saying that Europe is crap, people are telling me that Gyökeres is the top goal scorer in Europe. He's not even the top goal scorer in the Prem. Like, we can afford to play our second string, because that's what Tottenham did today as well, and walk out with a point or walk out with a win.
Yeah, but it's
And
Bodo Glimt.
I think today's results it was a damning indictment on the Champions League. The Champions League, I think, dare I say, I used to hold the Champions League on the same level as the Prem. I think today it showed that it's not, bro. Like, the Champions League is below the Prem. That's the truth. I don't want any liars. Don't lie to yourself. Arsenal are gonna play their second string tomorrow, and they're gonna slap up Olympiacos. That's not a game. You know what I mean? And then Northside's gonna shake his bum. Him and Tony are gonna shake their bum like they did something of substance. Now stop it, bro. Stop it.
Well, listen, I ain't won in 3 games, fam. Whether it's an own goal, whatever it is, I don't care, fam. A win's a win. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get through the group stages, and then we'll see what happens later on. That's all you have to do in the Champions League. Do you get me?
That's what it is.
That's
People
what it
saying that Deji talking like they played Real Madrid. Bro, it's Europe, bro. Do you know what I mean? And all I can do is beat what's in front of me. We didn't go ham today, but we got the points. And you know what I mean? Chat to me when we play Madrid. Then you see the real Tottenham. You saw how we bopped PSG off the park. Even Enrique, we didn't know what hit him. Do you know what I mean? I'd like to see your club do the same thing against PSG. Watch what we do against PSG in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, but you know, Deji, like, you know what it is about Bodo Glimt? You know what it is, don't know about Bodo Glimt? You know that's like a small village by a mountain where the bare fishermen.
Yeah, it's a fishing village, bro.
Yeah, it's a fishing village. Like, it's not like you beat up like big city. Like, you didn't beat like one of them big cities in Norway. You kind of lost or drew against like fishermen and that. That's a little bit different.
I think you got a little cod and chips in it. Little cod and chips.
Yes, sir. With respect,
they have salmon.
When you were getting cooked by Tony, I was in agreement, you know.
To you. So what, you just put the smile on there?
I'm just saying, when you was getting cooked by Tony,
I didn't get cooked by Tony, man. I didn't get cooked by Tony.
Because this brother came out of nowhere, like, because they beat Benfica, he said Northside send the link. Well, stop it, bro. You shouldn't be asking for no link with your last 2 performances. Tony is right. Yeah,
no,
you got slapped up by Brighton, bro. Do you know what I mean? You keep getting red cards. Hold that, bro. That's the truth.
Yeah, bro. I've never shied away from it, though. I never shied away from it. I did say that we've been dusty recently.
No one out here is trying to hype up the Champions League. That's what I'm trying to tell you, bro. Champions League is...
You're only saying this now because you drew. We knew what you would have done if you won. If you had won...
I've been telling you that the Champions League is rubbish for a while.
No, but you would have turned up with your speakers on and that, and then you start singing Not Like Us. Because I seen you do it in the beginning of your thing, bro. Because I knew you would have done that. You would have started playing Not Like Us and all that, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah.
Everything that he can't win is dusty. But then again, you said the Europa's dusty, and then you're parading that for the whole end of the season, bro. So let's not do that. If you won today, you would have said, the Europa League champions have arrived. My club. You know what I'm saying? I can't lie, Deji. Yeah? What did I tell you about Pedro Porro getting cooked for this first goal, getting cooked for the second goal? What did I tell you about that guy, bro? You always trying to tell me about Pedro Porro. Tell me something about Pedro Porro now.
Bro, like, I'm not gonna lie to you. He's underperforming. I can't lie to you.
He's not underperforming. This is what he is. This is what he is.
Oh my
God. Don't do that, bro. He's been a madman for my club. He's not playing well, bro. I can't even lie to you. He's not playing well. I don't know what else to say. Tottenham ain't playing well. We're going through a bit of a lull at the moment, but like I said to you, we're going through a lull. I'm on not losing. You know, Chelsea are going through a lull and they lose. Do you know what I'm saying? There's a difference, and for me, that's going to hold us in good stead towards the end of the season. We might not see it now, but we will see it soon. Do you get me? But you know, Tony is absolutely right. Arsenal fans can't really chat to me because you're only 2 points ahead. Like, hold that. Do you get what I'm saying? And I'm fourth in the Champions League right now. And to be honest with you, I'm just trying to see, right now, we're just moving like mathematicians, bro. I have to be real with you. Where you man are getting it wrong.
It is what it is.
You man are getting it wrong by thinking you've got to win every game. That's where Yasser gets it right. You just have to be top 8, bro. That's it. As long as I'm top 8, I could care.
Because remember, last season PSG won it at some point. They were in the bottom. Remember, they had to beat City to progress. Otherwise, they would have been out of the group thing. So I'm not saying it's acceptable to be down low, but at the same time, it just depends on what your situation is, innit? Maybe in that moment in time you were down there, but you know that I think the higher you finish, the less better opponent you can get. So that's the incentive of trying to finish higher. But last season, Liverpool finished the highest, but ended up playing PSG. You know what I'm saying? So you never know what can happen, innit? But bro, now I think PSG got 11 injuries now, innit?
Yeah.
Something like that. Bro, everyone, and they got Barca.
Yes, sir. Deji Sports. Deji, I do agree with you, yeah, that this team, I've always been in that, idea with you, yeah, that this teams in Europe are bums. I mean, last season, I was telling brother Northside that, this European teams, yeah, are all bums. I told my brother Northside, we're going to smack up Real Madrid. They all laughed at me. Brother Northside laughed at me, yeah, Deji Sports laughed at me. But what happened? We smacked up Real Madrid, went into the semi-finals. Yeah, we didn't win the trophy, but at least we still gave a good account of ourselves. In the Champions League. How about that? See, it's the same thing like this season, yeah. Same thing. We have to go into these games, yeah, smash all these clown teams up, smash them up. And the start of this thing, yeah, is gonna be with Olympiacos. You're gonna see what we're gonna do. We're gonna bring in our second string team, and we're gonna smash these lots up. In this European Champions League, yeah, I don't respect this team. These teams can't match Arsenal. We have the best defense in goddamn Europe. Saliba he just extended his deal. See, people, I'm smiling right now. I am the winner. We have a big defense right now. We are the winner. Leave Deji Sports. He doesn't know what's talking about, people. We are the winner. We will smack up all these teams in Europe. And see, Northside and Yasa. Please, I'm not gonna let you off the hook just yet. Yeah, brother Northside. I mean, when Liverpool played against Newcastle, Northside, I heard what you said. You said, "Oh, this is a thing of champions. Oh, this is it. This has to be the comeback of champions." I mean, brother Northside, I heard your analysis about that Arsenal Newcastle game, and you never ever said that, "Oh, Arsenal, this is a thing of champions." All you just said was basically, yeah, we came back. It was a good win. No, brother Northside, you are going to say it in front of these people because you know I'm doing this, Northside. I don't want you to start apologizing at the end of the season to all these clown and jester YouTubers. I don't want you to do that because you have so much credibility in the bank. I don't want to see you apologizing to Igal and the rest of them. So it's only good right now that you come out and say it, that you know what, yeah, Arsenal, yeah, what we did at St. James Park was a theme of champions. That was mentality of champions. Going to go down, coming back in a place where we've had 4 games, yeah, and lost 3 in 4 games before this last win. So, Northside, please. I heard what you said when it was Liverpool that went there and won. Oh, and you said, "Oh, comeback of champions." Bro, you have to do it when Arsenal does it, yeah? Do it say it when Arsenal does it. That was a thing of champions. Coming back in St. James Park, in one of the grounds that have actually gazumped us over the years, you have to come out and say it. Pop and claim, yeah? Just say it, bro. I know it's hard. I know it might sound all squeaky and all cheesy, but please, Northside, just come out and say it. Come out and say it. That was a thing of champions. Mentality monsters. I mean, why are we not getting the Marco? This is not good enough.
Can I just say that moment when you looked to the sky and you were saying what you were saying looked very Shakespearean, something out of a Midsummer's Night's Dream. So if you are doing something with your acting and your script writing, keep up the good work. The other thing I would say, Tony, is that I think Northside told me one thing. Like sometimes when you guys talk, all of you, sometimes I hear you, sometimes I don't. That's the truth. But as you were talking, when you said what you said about what you did in the Champions League, legitimately, I didn't remember. I don't remember what you did last season in the Champs. And that's the point that Northside's always been telling me. He was like, "Bitch, nobody remembers the losers." So as